In this video, I will show you how you can make more money by giving away your book for free, instead of selling it online. Don't be upset. This is not a clickbait title to get your attention. The truth is you can make a ton of money with this secret method that almost nobody talks about, so keep watching this video to the end, because I will show you exactly how to do it. Of course, it's perfectly fine to sell your ebook for a set price on Amazon KDP or from your own website. Self-publishing your own books is a great way to earn a steady income from your writing. But if you don't use a lead magnet inside your book, you are missing out on a lot of money. A lead magnet is like a tasty treat you offer to your website visitors or potential customers in exchange for their contact information. It's a way to attract people and encourage them to take action, such as signing up for your email list or subscribing to your newsletter. Let me explain how smart marketers like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi are making more money by giving their books away than they would by selling them online. The trick is to set up a sales funnel that builds a list for you with targeted leads who will buy from you over and over again. Does this sound like something impossible to achieve? Don't worry, it's really easy, and it doesn't have to cost you 1 cent. There are lots of free resources to help you do it, and I will tell you about them later. Let's first go to Tony Robbins' website where he is giving away his free ebook called Reawaken the Giant Within. After you fill in your name and email in the sign-up form, you are taken to the download page where there is a special offer to try out Tony's paid training course. Now, most people on this page are already interested in Tony's content, and some of them will be triggered to enter their credit card details and sign up for the trial of the course. And bam! The free book offer has turned into a cash machine. The book was only an incentive to show people a training course sales pitch. This is just one way to make money from a freebie. Let's take another example. Here's the website of Samuel Waltz, a non-fiction author who writes funny and entertaining trivia books. This is a free site, hosted by Weebly, as shown at the bottom of the page. Weebly is perfect for beginners, and simple to use. If you need a free website to market your book, then I highly recommend Weebly's basic option. You can always upgrade to a paid plan later if you need more features. I will drop the link in the description below. There is a sign-up form to download a free trivia book with 100 weird food trivia facts, so the freebie acts as a lead magnet. Visitors who enter their information and confirm their request are automatically subscribed to Samuel's email list, and get directed to the download page where there's a special offer to buy a collection of Samuel's trivia books for a 50% discount. This sounds like a good deal, so I bet that many people will grab their credit card and buy the offer. And this simple website is only one place where the author is giving away a free book to make sales. He promotes the free trivia book on his Facebook page, on Twitter, and he also has 2 other books with links inside to his website on the free ebooks website. This is a great place to submit your own book. The site has thousands of visitors, it's free to add your book, and there's no need for users to fill in any forms, which can be an obstacle for some people who don't like to share their details. If you click the download button, the book goes right to your computer. Every time someone downloads a copy of Samuel's books and clicks on the link to get the freebie, they are automatically added to his email list and directed to the special offer. And he doesn't need to do anything, it all happens on autopilot, even when it's 4 o'clock in the morning. And you can do this too. Start by going to Weebly.com, sign up for a free account and create a one-page website to show your free book. Next, upload your book file to Dropbox or Google Drive, and make it shareable so everybody with the link can download a copy. Next, create a new page on your Weebly site with a download link to your freebie. This is also the page where you can set up your upsell offer. This can be an affiliate product, or a collection of other books that you have written. Try to make your offer irresistible, and add in some extra bonus gifts to make that sale. If you want to accept online payments for your own products, you can use PayPal. Log in to PayPal, create a simple payment button and add it on your upsell page so people can use their credit card with you. Next, sign up for an email service like MailChimp to create a free basic account, and add one of their ready-made opt-in forms on your freebie page to capture visitors' names and email address. When people request your freebie, they will be directed to the download page and see your upsell. If they don't take your offer, you can show them another special deal or add in some bonuses to get the sale. The sky's the limit. Once you have the email address of your visitors, you can keep sending them more messages with special offers, links to affiliate products, and so on. As long as you offer your subscribers useful content, and only send them a message when appropriate, you can make money from your list. That's all it takes. Let's be honest. Would you like to sell one copy of your book on Amazon for $10, or give away your book and build a list with interested leads that you can contact over and over again with new offers, and make repeated sales? I know what I would do. So, get ready and take action. The whole process can be automated, and if you use the free services that I mentioned, it won't cost you a cent, so you don't have any more excuses to not get started. I have all the links in the description below this video. If you don't know how to write or create a free book or a special report to give away, then I recommend you download a copy of my From Pen to Profit ebook. I will show you exactly how anyone can write, publish and sell books online, be it in tangible or digital format. You will discover how to find a best-selling niche, how to use ChatGPT to create an outline, title and description, how to use free tools like Canva and Google Docs to quickly write and format your book, and how to publish it on Amazon KDP, Draft2 Digital and many other self-publishing platforms to generate passive income on autopilot. Check the link in the description below. If you have any questions or remarks, just drop them in the comments below. I love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching so far. If you like this video, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell to get all my latest money-making videos first. Have a great day.